what does three French hens remind us of? French country, or like Ken and I were talking, it's more like cottage chic because it's a little bit more contemporary than what we think of as French country. We do have the houndstooth fabric poinsettias leading the way here on the tree. We have a lot of soft fabrics in three French hens, printed with the snowflake design, and then we also have several different plaids and stripes that are intermingled. The ornaments here are reds, whites, and creams. We have a lot of different reds that can mix in here as those three French hens. You'll see the same red drops that we just saw in Stag Hill. Remember I said you can mix the gold, the green, and the red if you wanted to. You can very easily pick those up over here. I like how they even put the cotton stems in this. We can't have three French hens unless we have three French hens. And so our hens are right here on the tree. This is a standing hen. You'll notice she has a wreath around her neck. She's stitched and she's quilted together. But her wings have a style that's more of a French ticking type of fabric on it. Very nice fabric together. You want to see them off the tree. They're right here. This makes it a little bit cleaner for Janet to get a good shot for you to see. They're each looking a different direction. You notice her head is turned, this one is straight, and then she's sitting. I think she could be sitting on quite a nest of pretty little ribbons on the tree too. I think that would work very well.